Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a 7-segment display with Arduino with a common anode, and this is how I'm going to demonstrate it in Tinkercad. Here you can see I have connected the A pin to the 2 pin in Arduino, B pin to the 3 pin in Arduino, C pin into the 4 pin in Arduino, D pin in the 5 pin in Arduino, E pin to the 6 pin in Arduino, F pin into the 7 pin Arduino, and G pin into the 8 pin Arduino. And D pin I let it not connected because we don't need the decimal point. And 5V is connected directly to the common pins, and I circuited both pins, so it supplies with 5V. And now for every resistor I use the 220 ohm, and here you can see the code. First we declare all the pins from A to G. Then we declared a matrix with 10 rows and 7 columns, 10 rows for every possibility from 0 to 9, and 7 rows for every segment. And here you can see for 0 we have to go low in every segment, only one high in the middle one, so it shows the 0. And then in void setup we created a loop to declare the pin mode for every segment pins as an output. And then we declared every segment, we turn it off as the first step. This is going to repeat only one time. And then in the void loop we created a loop which is go from 0 to 10 for every row, and then it displays digit. And here we created a new void loop which is called display digit, and it has int digit as the input. And here you can see a loop inside of it which goes from 0 to 7, and in that place it loops to show every number from 0 to 9, and it has digit as the rows and AI as a column, and from this it goes from 0 to 9. For this project I'm gonna leave the link in the description for the Tinkercad project, and also the GitHub one. Thank you for watching. Bye.